Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the most powerful Facebook Mass Report bot on the market. If you need to execute a Mass Report Facebook account process quickly, this Mass Report Facebook account bot is exactly what you are looking for. Let's dive in and see how this amazing Facebook Mass Report tool works step by step. First, we select the platform where we want to do the Mass Report. Then, we send the account we want to get banned to our bot, either as a username or as a profile link. After that, we choose the category we want to report. My recommendation is to use spam and misinformation. Now we choose how many mass reports we want to send through our bot. In this step, you can select a higher number of mass reports depending on the account you want to get banned. Now we will set the delay between reports. I recommend not choosing less than 2 seconds. By the way, if you want to buy our bot, you can find our Telegram bot's username in the description section. After selecting the delay, we can finally check our configuration and click the Start Report button. Once you click it, our system will send mass reports to your target using our accounts, based on the settings and frequency you selected. You can monitor the process by checking the Refresh Status section. You can access our bot by searching the username in the description on Telegram. All payments are automatic, and if you experience any issues after payment, you can contact us through our support address. See you in the next videos.